Hey, it's Carly here in Florida. It's my understanding that people are testing positive for the coronavirus and then getting on a plane in New York City and heading to Florida. I'd like to suggest, if you think that's a good idea, maybe you should look at some place like Phoenix, Tucson, or Sedona. 'Cause you know what? I got some oceanfront property in Arizona. From the front porch you can see the sea. Please, just stay home.